Hello, I'm David from Trade Nation, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create and customize a watch list. So here we've got the platform open, and the first thing that you see is a list of the popular markets. Now I'm interested in some of these, but not all of these. What I'd like to do is to create a watch list looking at stock indices, and one of the things I'd like in there is the US 500. So let's start from there. If I go along the row for US 500, we get to the end and there's a plus button. Click on here and I'm asked if I want to make a new watch list, which I do because I haven't got an existing watch list anyway. I'm going to call this stock indices. And I'm going to submit that. And straight away we get a tab up, stock indices, right next door to popular markets. And if I click on there, I can see that the US 500 is already in there. So to add to that, let's go back to popular markets. I would like the Germany 30 to be in there. So again, we scroll over to the end of that row, click on plus, and now it's asking me if I'd like to add Germany 30 to stock indices, which I do. And we can go back, have a look, and there we see both markets in there. So let's see, I'd like to create another watch list, this time something to do with metals. If I go down here, the list of our markets, we have a metals tab here, and then all metals. And you can see that we have a mixture of industrial and precious metals. I'm just interested in looking at precious metals or creating a watch list from that. And I'd like to put gold in there to start off with. So again, we go along to the end of the row for gold, click on plus, and this time I do want to create a new watch list. I'm going to call this one precious metals. Submit. And then if we click on the tab, we can see there we are. We've got gold rolling spot in there already. So it really is that straightforward. And I hope that has been helpful. To make sure you keep up with everything that's going on at Trade Nation, be sure to go to our YouTube channel and click on the subscribe button. In the meantime, I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching and best of luck with your trading.